The MSO3124V is able to capture digital and analog signals, decode 10BASE-T1S, and trigger on specific conditions. Use the 10BASE-T1S adapter to convert the differential signal to a single-ended signal, allowing the logic analyzer to capture and decode it. After opening the software, choose Protocol Analyzer mode for real-time decoding and data display. Select 10BASE-T1S. Press Run to start capturing. Using Protocol Analyzer mode, we can capture data for an extended period, identify specific data like an error or address, and set it as a trigger condition in Logic Analyzer mode to view digital and analog waveforms. Use Navigator to check data statistics and find a specific data as the desired trigger condition. Open Logic Analyzer mode to capture data with waveforms. Choose 10BASE-T1S from Quick Settings. Enable analog recording. Add another analog channel, and choose the signal source. Set a trigger for 10BASE-T1S. You can choose a simple trigger or specify an address or data. Adjust memory settings and check recordable time. Press Run and wait for the trigger. Once triggered, view the data along with the waveforms. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in. Adjust the analog waveform display and see the voltage. You can also view the data in the report area. The MSO3124V is able to decode over 100 protocols and capture for extended periods with its 4 GB memory. Visit our website or contact us for more information.